From last 6 trading sessions, Nifty closed on a positive note. Today, Nifty rallied 92 points and closed around 19,820 level. In yesterday's video, I told next resistance I am looking is 19,820 because in hourly time frame, Nifty faced resistance in 19,820 level in July month. If we look at weekly charts, in this week, Nifty rallied by 2% and weekly candle is also very strong. So 19,820 is the resistance for now. If market sustains above 19,820 means markets can touch all-time high levels. If we talk about global data, US Nasdaq index, which has tech stocks like Apple, Microsoft, fell by 0.8% yesterday. Nasdaq has continuously been falling from last 4 trading sessions. The main reason for Nasdaq fall is Apple shares, which fell by 3%. Apple is an heavyweight in Nasdaq. Apple fall is due to China's ban on use of iPhones in Chinese government companies. So US tech index fell for the last 4 days, but our markets are continuously rallying. There is no positive global updates to talk. Let's talk about FIS data. Call ratio is around 1, which is positive. In options, FIS sold 75,000 calls and they sold 1.75 lakh puts, so they are clearly bullish in options. In futures, they bought 1,300 crore worth of futures. It is also bullish. In index, they are long at 57%. FIS data is positive in options and futures. So to conclude about Nifty, Nifty's price action is strong. I am personally expecting Nifty to cross all-time high levels without much correction. Above 19,820, I will look to trade bullish setups for any reasons. If Nifty falls till 19,640 means bullish reversal from 19,640 will be even better to trade. Option chain range. Yesterday I told if markets trades above 19,820 in 15 minutes time frame means I will change level to 19,500 to 20,200. So option chain range is 19,500 to 20,200. In monthly expiry, 19,500 put as 57 rupees premium, 20,200 call as 44 rupees premium. That's our range. By end of this month, if Nifty stays between this range means we can get the combined premium of around 100 rupees. So it will be around 4.5% return. Now let's talk about stocks data. Due to increase in electricity demand across India, the Power Ministry will issue a tender to buy 400 megawatt of gas-based electricity. Gas-based electricity is more costly than coal-based power plants because it is generated by burning natural gas to generate electricity, and they are also produce huge greenhouse gas emissions. So power generating companies were trading higher today on this news. Now let's talk about Natco Pharma. Mainly it develops and manufactures finished dosage formulations and active pharmaceutical ingredients APIs. Two companies in USA filed a lawsuit criminal case against Natco Pharma regarding pomalidomide drug which is used in cancer treatment. Reasons for lawsuit are not known yet. This drug has a market size of 9 billion US dollars. Now let's talk about railway. There are speculations about a connectivity deal between India and Gulf countries through a railway line. This railway line, if really happens, means it will help Gulf countries to trade with India and South Asian countries very easily. So all the companies directly or indirectly linked to railways rally today. IRFC, it helps in funding the developments needs of Indian railways. Titagar Rail, they manufacture locomotives and freight coaches. RVNL, they are the one who will execute rail infrastructure projects in our country. Now let's talk about Policybazzar. We all know what Policybazzar does. They sell insurances. There will be insurance companies. They choose Policybazzar as middlemen who will sell those insurance to its customers. But now Policybazzar wants to manufacture insurance themselves, said the reports. With this update, share price rallied more than 3%. Now let's talk about Hitachi Energy share. Price rallied by more than 2%. The company has won an order of renewable power project to provide grid connectivity for Ayana Renewables. Shreyas Shipping got approval from BSE and NSE to delist their shares from exchanges. If any publicly traded company wants to delist means they should at least hold 90% of the shares. At present, Shreyas Shipping holds 70.4% of shareholding. So to delist, they should have at least 90% of shareholding. So they want to buy at least 20% of shares from the public. The floor price at which the company is set to acquire is 338 rupees. But investors in reverse book building process will decide a price. If company accepts that price means they can delist or else it will continue to trade in exchanges. I will once again clearly explain about delisting process. First, the company which wants to delist should have 90% shareholding. If they don't have 90% shareholding means they will set a price and ask investors to sell their shares at that price. Investors will again tell their price to the company. It is known as reverse book building process. For example, if a company said 100 means investors will say give us 200, we will give you the shares. If company accepts 200 means they can delist or else the delisting will fail.